If you want to change your laptop wallpaper to a custom picture, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part because every step is important. So let's get started. If this video meets your needs and helps you change your laptop wallpaper, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, find the picture you want to use as your new wallpaper and save it on your laptop. Now, right-click on the picture and select Set as Desktop Background. Your custom picture will immediately appear as your desktop wallpaper. If you want more customization options, right-click on an empty area of your desktop and select Personalize. Next, click on Background. Under the background settings, select Picture and click Browse Photos. Now, choose the custom picture you want to use. You can also choose how the picture fits your screen by selecting options such as Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, or Center. Once you're happy with the result, close the settings window and check your desktop.